Hey guys, it is 7:32 right now. My plane takes off at around 10:05, 10 o'clock, and they start boarding at around 9:35 to 9:45. So I want to make sure that I get to the airport around 8:30, just in case they have any extra precautions since I am flying through COVID. I want to make sure I have enough time to get the check-in, security, and make it to my gate before they start boarding. I'm going to brush my teeth, wash my face, maybe take a quick shower, and then we'll be off on our way to the airport. I am so excited. I'm also so nervous. I don't know how my mom's gonna react. I know she's gonna cry, and that's what I hope. I hope she cries. I know this sounds so bad, but I hope she cries because it's gonna be like tears of joy. My family and I have been going through a lot all separately, so I decided all I really wanted was to be with my mom and be in her arms. Mom, if you're watching this, you know you're my homegirl, you're my A1 day one, and I'll do anything to put a smile on your face. Okay, I'm done talking. Let me get ready so I can make it to my flight. Okay guys, so I just got out the shower. It is almost 8 o'clock. It's 7:59. The closer it gets to me leaving, the more nervous I get. My mom takes COVID like very seriously, as well as like she's very overprotective. So I don't know how she's gonna feel about me being on a plane and her not knowing, because like normally that would never fly. She always knows. We always like pray together, things like that. So I hope she's not too mad, and I hope she can focus on the fact that I'm there and not the fact that I'm there. So I'm just gonna do my hair and makeup, and then I will check back with you guys before I leave. Alright guys, so I'm done with my makeup. As you can see, I'm already dressed, dripped out, ready for the occasion. It's now 8:22, so I have some last minute things I need to pack, and then we're gonna head on out. We're heading out on our way to the airport. It feels so good out here. Laura thinks it's cold. That's because she's from Florida. Of course it's gonna be cold. It's like 43, which is nothing on what I've seen in Missouri, so I'm perfectly fine with like a t-shirt. But I'm so nervous. I hope she, ooh, lighting. I hope she's ready. I'm on my way to see you, Mom.
Video me. This shit is heavy. I was also doing it one hand, okay?
Right.
You do it.
No. No thanks. You're the best.
I do be the
best. You're a killer. We're about to take off. Laura Jean is escorting me to the airport. $20
per mile.
Per mile? Who does she think I am? She's funny. Very funny. So I have about 20-30 minutes to get to my gate before they start boarding. I'm definitely not the first couple of people to board, so I think I'll be pretty fine, right? I'm like B class. Yeah. I told Laura that we needed to be at the airport an hour before boarding time, and she looked at me like I was crazy. But like, that's normal, right? Don't you guys go to the airport like an hour before? I assume that not a lot of people are flying, but I also assume, I also assume that a lot of people think that a lot of people aren't flying. So we'll see. I'll catch you guys when I get to the airport.
Hey guys, so I just got to the airport. Laura's about to drop me off. I'm so sad to be leaving you.
I know, I'm sad that you're leaving me too.
But I'm so excited. I know this is gonna make my mom happy. I'm so ready to see my siblings, even though they get on my stinking nerves. I hope she's not mad. I really hope she's not mad. I'll see you guys once I get to my gate. Okay guys, so I just got to the airport. I have about 15-20 minutes to get to my gate. I literally see no one here, so that's really good because I thought that it would be packed and that I wouldn't be able to make it to my gate, but not that many people here. Hey guys, Uncle JJ. You know, feeling me. Yeah, so I just landed in St. Louis. My mom literally called me like during my flight, and I told Laura to tell my mom that I was taking an exam, so she thinks I'm taking an exam right now. So I'm just waiting for my bag to get here, and then we are gonna head home. It's still about like an hour 45, 2 hours before we can get to the actual house. The airport is so far, so I still have a little bit of travel time left, but I'm so excited. Hopefully she doesn't call again because I don't know what I'll say. We literally talk every day at around the same time, so if she calls and I'm just don't answer again, then she's gonna be like worried. So fingers crossed Laura doesn't bust it and can come up with an excuse. I'll talk to you guys once I am done with getting my luggage. Hey guys, all right, so we are about what, 15 minutes away from the house, you say? Hey, my uncle put me on a BTS. I've never listened to their music, so that was cool. If you listen to BTS, send me some playlists because I think that's good workout music, low-key. I'm here in Waynesville, the middle of nowhere. This is all I have to give you. We're going to go to McDonald's because I haven't eaten all morning, and then we're gonna head over to the house. I texted my sister and I asked her what she was doing so I can get like a feel of what everyone was doing in the house, and she told me they were getting food on post at Charlie's. I was like, get me some, LOL, and she was like, you're tripping. Am I though? Like, I'm really around the corner. I'm hoping that they're already in the house by the time we get there, because what if like we're pulling up at the same time? That would suck. I volunteer my uncle to hold the camera. So he's gonna hold the camera, and I'm probably just gonna knock on the door, and then whoever answers the door first, I guess that's the reaction. We're definitely gonna record everyone's reaction. So I'm about to get some food, probably get some chicken nuggets, and then head over to the house to see my mommy. Oh, I'm so cute. Okay, well, my uncle just texted my mom. They're still on post. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set the camera up somewhere to where when they walk in the door, I'm probably just gonna be sitting on the couch casually like it's a normal day in Waynesville, Missouri. Get their reactions that way. I was hoping that they would be inside the house, but you know, life happens and we improvise.
We could wait it.
Yeah, I guess we could wait.
So you homie?
So you got fries? Number one, I will take the order fries. You have to move order around this corner by the left sign, please. Thank you.
I don't play by my fries. I tell them every time I go, I want my fries made to order. Laura hates it though. She's like, they never do it, but I swear they do. We can eat it here. Like, I can eat in the parking lot. Yeah. Okay, new plan. I'm gonna eat in the parking lot here, and then we're gonna wait until they get to the house. That way I can still get the view that I want to get. So how we gonna know when they get home though?
I got you.
Oh, okay. Okay. He got me. He got me.
So
Okay. No doubt. But that's okay. That's okay. Alright guys. So we are now at the waiting area. I'm gonna show you guys where we are. We're on this little road right here. So post is over there. So we're gonna be able to see when my mom passes by in her car. We're literally stalkers. So we're gonna stake out. I got my food here. Uncle over there. And we're just gonna ride this bad boy out. All right guys, I'll see you guys when we see her car. So we've been at the stakeout waiting for my mom, and she just texted my uncle saying that she's at the park. She over here having a family fun day without me. Like, how can you even do that? Anywho, So I guess we're just gonna go home and wait for her to come out. Oh, dang. I'm taking the kids to the park. What you doing taking the kids to the park? Them big grown kids at the park. Child, I'm bothered. I'm upset. Okay, yeah, we're just gonna go home. I'm gonna set the camera up and keep looking outside to see when they pull up, and that's like our best option right now. So we're just gonna have to wait until they pull up. My dreams are crushed. So I'll see you guys when I get to the house. All right, guys, so I made it to my mother's cottage. And I'm waiting for her to pull up. Everyone is with my mom. I don't know who told her she could leave. Okay, I'm in my mom's office so I can get a clear view of the driveway. Let me show you guys where I'm at. So I can get a clear view. So it's game on. Ready or not, here I come. You can't hide. Bridget Mendler, baby. It's on. Mom, I'm waiting for you.
Les rêves des amoureux sont comme le bon vin.
Really? How far y'all is? Cause Jamel here, he said he had a bad ordeal with the dude, so I don't know, man. He looking really tore up. Yeah. Why you sound surprised? This Missouri. He just got into a competition. That's why I asked you where he was at. So because I'm trying to calm him down. Calm. I don't know. He just looked fragile. Okay, y'all be safe. Don't talk to me. Be safe. Okay. Love.
Girl, I cannot with you, girl. I cannot. Y'all. Actress of the year goes to Elizabeth. Here she goes. She said, what type of confrontation? Here go, girl. Laughing like, girl. She trying to cover it up, girl. My stomach hurt. I cannot with her. At least we know she on her way.
Met up with one of my homeboys. Y'all go?
Yeah. Look at the camera.
I'm coming. Sorry, I was on the toilet.
Dang! Oh, mommy!
Hey!
Oh my god! You called me literally while I was on the plane. Will you Google duel me today?
Hey, yo.
Oh, I was texting KK and didn't know tonight she about to be at this house.
And Laura lied to me. She told me
Yeah.
God. Oh my god. How do you feel? You've been bamboozled. I cannot believe you. You want to see?
She said, I gotta eat.
My homegirl in the bed. Hey.
I've done my job today.